Today we have my Mark 1 Volkswagen out. It has the 1.6 turbo diesel in it. We're at the High Plains Raceway today, out in somewhere Eastern Plains, Colorado, nowhere. But it looks sick, and there's tons of fast shit here, so this is as good a chance as I get as ever to make this engine explode. So I'm super excited. So car feels pretty good, but I think it could do even a little bit better. It like almost stays hooked up the whole way. So I gave the front an additional 3 clicks of compression and rebound, and then I'm going to give the rear 4 to just stiffen the whole thing more, but also stiffen the rear a teeny bit more than it has been. I don't know why it's rattling, because when you rev it up a little bit, it seems to come out of it. Back to idle the car. laps. For one, I'm not a race driver, so my driving was getting better. With the extra couple clicks of stiffening the dampers on all the corners, grabbing and pulling those corners was delicious. I started shifting more too. I was using second gear on the corners instead of just lugging it third and fourth, and we were giving it all 30 psi, and it was fast. I was getting passed at the beginning of the day for sure, a lot, and then at the end of the day I pretty much didn't get passed. I was just hanging out by myself, which I feel like is a testament to the setup being more dialed and the car running faster. And as far as I can tell, the engine is maybe lightly seized. Lightly, it still cranks, but it's really stiff right now. And we have a little bit of an oil leak, and it was overheating towards the end of the day. But it did survive. I mean, I think, fingers crossed, it'll turn on when we get back to Denver. So I would say that's a slam dunk, Porsche barely has anything on my 1984 tin can, so that's pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching.